Welcome to Apex, a browser coach that watches your focus and posture, gives gentle nudges, suggests quick breaks, and shows a clean summary after each session. It's built with React, MediaPipe, Pose and Face Mesh, the Web Audio Speech API, and local storage with a simple, fast UI. So if I scroll down a little bit, you see a brief description of Apex, and I can click Why Apex, as well as the FAQ. Now I'm going to go ahead and log in. If you don't have an account, you can sign up. Okay, so over here you can see the dashboard, you can see the total number of sessions, you can see the number of breaks you've taken, you can see the number of times you've done a focus session, you can see your average focus score when you want to track your focus and posture, as well as your average posture score, and then your recent activity with your scores. So first I'm going to go ahead and explore guided breaks. So we have 4 guided breaks here. First is box breathing. I'm going to set the timer for 3 minutes and start session.
Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2.
So that over there is box breathing. Now I'm going to go ahead and do progressive muscle relaxation, or PMR. And so basically you're going to go ahead and stress different muscles in your body and then relax them. And then finally, mindful stretching. So basically here, we're going to go ahead and stretch different body parts. All right, next, let's go ahead and go to focus guide. First, we're going to go ahead and do dual and back. And this basically trains your working memory. So if you see a position that you remember or a letter, you're simply going to click J or K. Next, we're going to go ahead and do selective pick, where you only want to click the white triangles. So I'm supposed to click the white ones here. I missed that one. If I click a wrong one, it'll show the amount of missed ones it'll show. And yeah. Next, we can do moving object tracking. And basically here you want to track the blue dot. Now as the time progresses, the blue dot will go faster and faster, and so it will be harder to track, and there will be more white dots. And finally, sustained attention, where you only want to click the target. So because that didn't say target, I didn't click it, and you're supposed to click the target. Next, I'm going to go ahead and go to performance stats. And so these are just all my sessions and some stats that I have. And then of course some graphs showing my progress. And then over here is my profile. Okay, so let's go to the main part of the app where I can track my focus, stress, fatigue, and posture. So first I'm going to go ahead and do focus and posture. I'm going to go ahead and do 1 hour. I can do custom as well. And then I'm going to enable advanced coaching. And that's the description. Okay, so as you can see right now, my posture is actually pretty good, and that's why it's around 8. Now, if my posture is below 4 for more than 5 seconds, it's going to go ahead and alert me. So I'm going to go ahead and show some real bad posture right now, and it should alert me for if it's more than 5 seconds.
Please adjust your posture.
Now, the same thing happens for focus. So if I don't look at my screen, then it's going to alert me as well.
Let's bring attention back to the task.
Now, the way fatigue is calculated is if I yawn. So I'm going to go ahead and yawn. And you can go ahead and see that my fatigue scores have skyrocketed. Next, I can go ahead and show stress levels, and the way I do that is by narrowing my eyebrows. So if I go ahead and do that, it's going to show stress levels. Now, if it tells me to fix my posture or focus on the screen for 3 times, then it's going to recommend me to take a break, or it's going to recommend me to take a break if my fatigue and stress levels are way too high. So I'm going to show bad posture 2 more times.
Small reset. Find an eyes. Upright position.
And then 1 last time.
Quick posture check.
And as you can see, I'm told to take a break. Now I'm going to go ahead and resume and end my session. No. So this is a session summary. I accidentally went back instead of ended my session. But basically what you would see is your focus and your posture score, and whether you did advanced coaching or not. Right now it shows 100 and 100 because I accidentally just created a new session by accident, but it should show your actual scores. And then I can go ahead and return to dashboard. Thanks for watching.